So today, we'll work on the news and the event site. Working on the news site is very easy, since we already created some news in the previous video using the custom news template. All we need to do is edit the site, then add the news report. We can choose the layout. Let me choose list. Then apply necessary configurations. For example, I will show 8 news posts. Then click Publish Changes. Now let's work on the event site. First, let's add the event report. So edit the site, search and add Events Report. Add the title Upcoming Events. Check the report properties. Here, we can choose the source of the event from these various options. I will choose Events List on the site. We can choose the event list. The default one is Events. Then we can choose the category and show events based on this date range. We can enable or disable audience targeting, show or hide the report title, choose the layout, and choose how many events to show in this report. Currently, it will show 20 events. Then we can show or hide event images and enable or disable the animation. Once happy, click Publish Changes. Now let's add some events by clicking Add Events. We can add event images if needed. Add stock image for now. Then add event's title. Choose when the event will occur. Add location of the event. Add link address like online meeting link. And the display name like join meeting. Then add some category. And add some description about the event. Finally, we can add some participants if needed. Once done, click Save. I'll pause my video and add 3 other events. I have created all 4 events. If I go back to the event site, I can see them all. Great! This is the end of the session. In the next session, we'll work on the location site. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.